Welcome to our presentation at the marketplace. My name is Björn Bahn. I'm from the German Aerospace Center, and I would like to present to you the simulation use case 2, and mainly focusing on the model compatibility testing. Our goals were to create a setup of tools which can be used for the standard compliance checking of FMU models. With these models, we want to create a simulation and use it for a scenario exploration based on logical scenarios. These tools shall aid the automotive research regarding automated driving. So let's jump into our DLR research implementation. Our main simulation is around Kala. We extended Kala with an OC client to create OC messages and interpret these messages in the Kala simulator. Secondly, we created the Cosima, which is a bridging solution and can extend the simulation. As a third part, we created the OSMP service, which is a wrapper for OSMP. OSMP is a combination of the two standards FMI and OSI. With this OSMP service, we can load many FMUs into our simulation. These three components communicate on a technical level on gRPC. This implementation, as you can see it here, is one implementation of the set-level generic architecture. If you want to learn more about that, you can visit Marketplace booth B14. To create one running simulation, we built a GUI, which is a website on which you can set up your simulation. This simulation setup will be saved as an SSP and will be transmitted from the front end to the back end, where the whole simulation is running. The front end uses itself a storage, and this storage is GitLab. In this GitLab, we have saved the open source model library. These are models which use the standards FMI and OSI. You can see them down here, and if you want to learn more about them, you can visit the Marketplace booth B17. With these models in the GitLab, we can take advantage of the continuous integration capabilities of GitLab. So each time a new model is uploaded into the GitLab via the GUI, we can start automated testing, and we use that for our model compatibility testing. At the moment, we're checking for compatibility and format integrity on several levels. So now we can just use the models which have fulfilled these tests in our automatic simulation. As a result, we have this standalone container which contains all the testing tools. We are providing the FMI or OSI extension for Kala, our bridging solution Cosima, as well as the OSMP service to wrap all the models. In total, the whole research implementation from DLR can be downloaded at the set-level GitLab. In the future, we want to also integrate an open drive validator. And secondly, we want to create a data consistency check, which is based on a result comparison to a reference scenario run. At the moment, the DLR research implementation is also used in the VV Methods project. Thank you for your attention.